got it all, baby. Your papa Uganda, your mama Burundi. My African star, baby, na umeumbwa ukaumbika. Yeah.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Vicious percentage.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Let's go.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on.
So hi guys, this is my sister. You guys have been asking to see Mercy on my vlog, and I didn't plan to vlog it, but she just said something very funny, so I just decided to pick up my camera. You don't look a scrap. You're so beautiful. You know that, right? Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, Vivi Cooks, and welcome back to another vlog. So today's vlog is actually a very interesting one. Well, if you're a naturalista, then it will be interesting for you. So today I'm going to be going to the best reviewed hair salon in my city. Some of you have asked me on Snapchat, well, like 3-4 people have asked me where I get my natural hair done, because when I post snaps, that's when like you guys see it and you guys ask. So I've seen a couple videos like this on YouTube, so I figured I'd film one for you guys so you know like my take on like the best salon to visit in Abuja. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm fanning myself because we've not had lights in like 4 days. It rained heavily 4 days ago and we had like a blackout. Anyway, I'm going to get ready and I'm going to see you guys on my way to the salon, or when we get to the salon. Okay guys, so I am in Taxify now. I'm on my way to the salon. Anyway, let me read some of the reviews. I'm also going to put them on the screen so you guys can read it as well. So one person said, I lock and style my dreads here. Very good customer service, I must confess. Free water, coffee, cocktail on the house. You even get receipts for every service. Very transparent, and this is very true. So the first time I went there, or one of the times I went there, they offered me a glass of Chapman, and I was like, wow. And the second time they offered me a bottle of water. Yeah, that's true. If it's your birthday, you get a 20% discount on the salon. Okay, there's a bad review here actually. Someone said I wasted half of my Saturday there. They are more interested in making money than providing good service, and nobody knew what they were doing. I had my manicure cancelled twice because they were clueless about one would do. The things were disinfected, yada yada yada. In terms of the pricing, after I'm done with my hair and everything, I'm going to let you guys know how much I'm going to pay. The two most important things for me to do at the salon is my hair and my nails, so I'll let you know if I do any extra stuff. Hi guys, so I'm here now.
Try to figure out who I am.
So I'm about to get my hair washed right now. Oh Jesus, where are my edges? When God was giving edges, I don't know what to do.
Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was.
So guys, while I wait to get a seat, I was just looking on Instagram and I just saw this cute post by where you can come in. It's so cute. Oh my god. I love her and I love her love. My seat is good.
Think I'll survive. I met you in the summer when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you for so long. I met you in the in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you for so long. I met you in the
guys, so my battery is on 17%. Anyway, I just finished doing my hair, my nails. Look at guys, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section if you like my nails. So I'm done with my hair. This is my hair. So I did my hair, I did my nails, I threaded my upper lip and my chin because I'm Igbo and yes, I have hair like everywhere. Anyway, there was a situation earlier on, like you guys saw. I said I was going to explain in a couple minutes. So while I was filming, one of the workers there walked up to me and she whispered to me and she told me that, oh, I'm not allowed to film here, it's not allowed. I'm like, why am I not allowed to film here? And she's like, oh, it's the policy, the owner of the place would be so upset. And I explained to her, I'm like, look, I'm a blogger, this is what I do, this is more publicity for you because I ain't charging you, you know? But then she stated and she was like, no, you can't film here. So I'm like, okay, no problem. As soon as she left, I put on my camera and I kept on filming. I mean, I did it for you guys, so make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I was able to film my hair. I couldn't really film my nails a lot, but I did some on my phone. I'm sure by now you guys have seen that already. And then I filmed like me threading my upper lip and my chin, and overall I had a very good experience. I got free water on the house, and when I finished everything, the lady that took my bill, I actually explained everything to her and she was very apologetic, which melted my heart. She was like, she's so sorry, that she understands where I'm coming from and this is more publicity for them, that she took my number and she's like, I'm going to call you and you know, I'm sorry about everything that happened. And I'm like, no problem. Oh yes, by the way, I forgot to tell you guys how much I paid. So for everything I paid 12,000 naira, which is kind of expensive. My nails were 7,000, my hair was 2,000, my toes were 1,000, and my threading was 2,000. And it's actually supposed to be more than 2,000, but I wasn't doing both, so that's why I paid 2,000. But anyway, let's go and meet the guy right now, and yeah, I'll let you know. I'm sorry if it's really noisy. Let me find out where this guy is and I'll see you guys later. Like, I have so many things I'm carrying that makes me look funny. But anyway guys, I am actually on my way home, and once I get home I'm just going to rest, chill, and then I'm going out with two of my friends later on. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Now that I've done my nails, I'm really gonna be trying to like grab all your attention through the nails, like, hi, I'm here. Let me wear my shades up. Oh my god, wow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, Vivian Okezie, Snapchat, Vivian Okezie, Twitter, Vivian Okezie _, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. My nails. Okay.
I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the breath of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a